Alright, so first impression of this congyi, whatever you want to call it. It is, I thought it was pretty, it seemed pretty cheap at first, but it actually works pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with it. The only part that I don't like is this little valve here. This valve for the air just feels kind of cheap. And when you put the pipe in here. But if you want to get your feet wet, melting metal, this got to be polished up. I'm gonna use a wire brush. I got some other ones that are polished, but if you want to get your feet wet melting metal, this isn't a bad little kit for the price. It's really cheap and affordable. But it came with all you see here, the crucible, 6 kilogram crucible, the little rock in there, this furnace, the tongs, the lid, hose, ready to rock and roll. I bought these separate, these molds. I bought these off of Amazon, 1 kilo molds to make these bricks. And there's hearts and stars, and then you can use stamps to stamp your words in them. But I figure this make a good first video, just showing you guys that it's not a bad little setup if you guys want to get your feet wet into the metal smelting, making your own bullion instead of buying copper bars off of eBay for $30 a pound. You could get it for $2 a pound, $3 a pound in pipes, copper pipes, and then melt it down yourself, and it purifies. You can purify it yourself. So this is highly dangerous. Do your research and all the safety precautions like that. But you know, wear your masks and protective gear, and you're good to go. But for the price, you can't beat it. Really can't beat it. First, before I used it, I was like, I'm not so sure about this. But once it fired up, she got up there, and pretty impressed with how she did. It was a really super cold day. She still worked pretty good. So. But other than that, take it easy, have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. Well, I don't think I'll be able to melt steel. No, yeah. Steel is like 2,800 degrees. I'm getting about 21. Iron's at 20, cast iron's at 2150, so I might be able to get it hot enough to do iron. But so far it's looking like aluminum, copper, gold. Yeah guys, sorry about the poor video quality. I'm currently in the process of upgrading my equipment. I shot this with my cell phone, so it's not the greatest, and it was compressed because I was actually sending in text message format, so that's another reason why this is so blurry. But you guys get the idea. Just showing you how the furnace works, and I'm using it on a super cold day too, so and it was still able to get hot enough to melt copper, and got it over 2,000 degrees for a short amount of time. But once I opened the lid up and did a pour, it cooled down so fast that I had to heat it up again, and it takes a good 15 to 20 minutes every time it heats up. So if you guys like the content and like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. This channel is all about trading, whether it's selling stuff on eBay, yard sales, or just your basic day in the life of consumer type stuff. So, and of course, gold coins, silver coins, metal, bullion, and any type of commodities that I'm interested in, or if there's anything you guys wanna cover in a future video, let me know down in the comment section below. Other than that, take it easy. Have a good one.